I'm about to show you guys a couple dropshipping stores that are currently making millions of dollars every single year. We'll be taking a look at their products, the ads they have running, their website, and everything else to do with these brands. We'll be breaking everything down so you guys can see the difference between a 7-figure brand and a beginner dropshipping store. My name's Alex if you're new. I've been dropshipping for a little over 5 years. In that time, I've built and sold multiple 7-figure brands. Now I teach you guys how to do the same. And without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Now, the way I found all of these stores is using a tool called Zik Analytics. Zik Analytics is a brand new product research tool that'll show you trending Shopify stores and their top performing products. You can view the amount of sales each store is getting, their best performing products. You can look at their current ads. They even link the best AliExpress suppliers for each product you find. You can search for Shopify stores using all of this criteria right here. Same thing for winning products using all of this search criteria. And you can use this tool to find 6-figure a month dropshipping products to sell yourself. Now, like I mentioned, Zik Analytics just launched for Shopify. I was one of the first 1,000 people to sign up for it, so I got 50% off plus unlimited usage. There's actually a few spots left if you want to take advantage of this offer yourself. I'll leave a link for you down below in case you want to try out Zik and find the best performing products every month. So the first store that I want to break down with you guys is a one product store. It was created in 2018, and this is the shoulder reliever. You guys can see right here that they have one product. Obviously, that's the shoulder reliever you can see right there. It was uploaded in February of 2018. Over the last 30 days, this product has made over 2,000 sales and brought in over $400,000 in revenue for this brand. You guys can see they're selling it for $190. They're advertising it on Facebook, and they have 3 different social channels to promote their products: Facebook, YouTube, as well as Instagram. Moving over to the Facebook ads library, you can see all of these current and active ads that this brand is running. If we scroll to the bottom, you guys can see that these 4 ad creatives were actually launched in July of last year, and they're still running them. You can see all these are active. This one was launched in January of this year. This one was launched in March, April, and all of these were launched in June. And all of these ones that you can see right here were launched this month in July. They have a bunch of different video ads running for the same product. So you guys can see that all of their ads are over a minute long. Most of them are testimonials. You can see all of their various ad copy up here. Overall, this brand has a very good ad strategy with Facebook ads. All right, moving over to their product page. You can see already that we get a pop-up form to capture our email address. They're offering us $50 off, save 26% today. That's their summertime sale. So I really like that offer. That's something I do on all of my own product pages. You guys can see already how this description is structured. Like I mentioned with their Facebook ads, they're primarily using testimonials. So they have a bunch of video testimonials up here. They have some social proof, some high quality images of this product at the top. They have their trust badges. We keep scrolling down, they have more reviews down here at the bottom and a bunch of call to action. So they reiterate their offer multiple times throughout their product page. You can scroll through all of these reviews. They have 95 pages. We'll go ahead and click on this call to action button right here. You guys can see we get another pop-up form, the same exact one. They're really trying to capture your email address, and it takes you to your cart right here. So they don't really have any upsells or similar products or anything you can add to this bundle. I like to use quantity discounts and bundle upsells and all these other types of offers to increase my average order value. This is something they're not taking advantage of, but they're obviously doing a really good job with this website if they're bringing in almost $500,000 every single month. All right, guys, the next winning product that I have for you guys is the neck reliever from the neckcloud.com. You guys can see once again, this is a one product store. This product was uploaded in October of 2023. They're selling it for $49.97. They have over 3,000 sales over the last 30 days, and they've made $185,000 in revenue. This store was created in 2023. The social channels they currently have are Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and they're not running any ads on any of those, although I did find them on the TikTok Creative Center. So they are currently running TikTok ads right now to make that 6-figure a month revenue. Moving over to AliExpress, you guys can see that $50 product they're selling, they can source for $4.72, probably even lower. You guys can see this has over 2,000 sold, 198 high rated reviews. You guys can easily go to sell the same product yourself. You guys can see all these other suppliers. You can compare prices and shipping options. You guys can see the top countries that this product is selling in. You guys can see the 30-day sales trend. So you guys can see that this product is getting over 2,000 sales every 30 days, which relates directly to the numbers we just went over. Moving over to their product page, you guys can see we have the cloud cervical traction device. Like I already said, they're selling it for $50. They have 166 high rated reviews. I like the sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down this page. You guys can see this add to cart button at the bottom of your screen. You guys can see they have features and benefits. Here's their offer right here, free worldwide shipping and 50% off. You guys have a 60-day money back guarantee. They have some high quality images of this product. Honestly, most of these are probably taken right off of AliExpress with just a couple of edits to clean them up a little bit. I really like that. You guys can see the different uses this product is for, a bunch of different problems that it actually solves. I always like high quality GIFs and videos on your product pages. You always want to show your product in use and what it can do for your customer. You have some comparisons, some more features and benefits, some testimonials and social proof. I really like the way this product description is structured. You guys can see all your reviews down here at the bottom and that sticky add to cart button for an easy purchase. All right, so the final store I have for you guys isn't doing nearly as good as the other two, but I still want to show you how easy it is to take a simple AliExpress product and scale it to these numbers. So this is the dancing cactus. I'm sure many of you guys have seen this stupid product in the past. This is from the dancingcactus.co. Once again, they're a one product store. They're solely focused on this one product. It's gotten them over 2,700 sales in the last 30 days, and they've made over $55,000 in revenue in that time. This store was created in December of 2020. You guys can see they're selling this product for $19.95. They've gotten over 2,000 sales, like I already mentioned, and they're doing over $50,000 a month in revenue every single month. They're currently running this product with Facebook ads. So moving over to AliExpress, you can see this simple, cheap product right here. You can get it for $6.39. Like any other dropshipping product, you can always negotiate your prices much lower depending on your supplier. I've seen people getting this product for $2 and $3. You guys can see it has over 1,000 sold, high rated reviews. You can see the sales data over the last 30 days, the customer survey, the sales by region, and all of that good stuff. Moving over, you guys can see one of their active Facebook ads right here. We can go ahead and watch this video. You guys can see this simple ad copy up here at the top. It's literally just 2 sentences.
Today we're checking out the dancing cactus. Now what's the cool thing about the story? It repeats everything you say to it.
Now what's the cool thing about the story? It repeats everything you say to it.
As you can see, it can be a lot of fun.
As you can see, it can be a lot of fun.
Also, if you hit the button, it starts playing different songs.
Very simple content. You guys can easily recreate this video ad yourself and run something similar. Moving over to a TikTok account from a similar brand. This isn't the same brand we're going over, but you guys can look at their success on TikTok. Their top 3 videos have gotten over 1 million views. You can see 1.9 million, 3 million, and 4 million. Let's watch their best performing video and look at how simple it is. So that is a very simple, low quality TikTok that you guys can easily remake. And finally, let's go over the product page for this product. You guys can see how simple this product page is. You guys can easily remake something just like this, clean it up a little bit yourself. You guys can see they have high quality images of their product up here at the top, obviously taken right off of AliExpress. They don't have an offer in place. They're just selling it for $19.95. Their type is the exact same thing. There's no other options. More images throughout the description. They have the reviews down here at the bottom. So they don't have any upsells. They don't have an offer in place. It's a very simple product description that you guys can do so much better when you go to remake it yourself. Once again, they have that sticky add to cart button that follows you as you scroll down the page. That's really the only thing I like about this product description. But look how poorly built this description is, and it's doing over $50,000 a month for this brand. So there's a lot of lessons that you can take away from these 3 brands if you want to build your own 7-figure dropshipping store. And Zik is a powerful tool that I've used to find these products and many others just like them. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead and leave a link for you down below in case you want to check this out yourself. And let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. If you like this, I'll keep going over brands and breaking everything down for you. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources for you linked down below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.